Hi class. So for the remainder of the year, we're going to be working on this financial literacy notebook. Now the purpose of the notebook is to consider what goals you have for yourself and what you want in life, how much are those goals going to cost, and on the other end of things, what do you want to do and how are you going to pay for all those things that you want. So the goal is to kind of have realistic expectations or a plan based on what you want to do. So the first page of the financial literacy notebook just lets you know that every week I will check what you turned in and give you comments. So if anything's marked incorrect, you can go back and redo it and improve your grade. Let's go to page 2. Page 2, 3, and 4 are all vision boards. So all you need to do for the vision board is put some pictures on here that explain what you want when you're this old. So from age 20 to age 30, what are the goals that you have? That's a very important time in your life. So for me, maybe, and for a lot of people, I think college graduation, that might be something. So go through and find a picture for college graduation. And the way I got there, again, was just going to insert image, and I did search the web. I found that the easiest. Some other goals. I bet a lot of people want to get married in the ages of 20 to 30. So maybe I can search that and take a picture right there. Some people might want to buy a house. You might want to own a car. So lots of goals that you could have for that age. So try to get at least like maybe 4 pictures there for that vision board. Next, let's go ahead to 40 and 50. So think about goals you have here. A lot of people would want maybe to be very successful professionally and really good at what they do. So me, I'm a teacher, right? So I want to be an even better teacher when I'm in that age group. So maybe I'll just get a picture of that. What I'm doing with my life at that point. And maybe at that point, I'd like to have a family. So do something with that, family picture. And then I could think of some other stuff. Maybe I'd like to own a nice house at that point, or doing family vacations, things like that. Finally, I'll look at retirement. So I can think about things that maybe are important to me when I retire. Maybe doing some additional travel would be something that would be interesting. So I could do vacation. Get something that looks like a nice place to vacation. Oh. If that happens, just select another image. That should be fine. There we go. Maybe being a grandparent would be something that would appeal to a lot of people at that age. So again, just think about anything that you really want from that age. All right, so that's it with the vision board. That kind of just sets your goals at the beginning. And then the other part you'll be responsible for this week is parts 5 and 6. And that's financial literacy vocabulary. So for these, there's a bunch of words over here, and the definitions are all in the boxes. So what you can do is you might recognize some of those. So if I know profit, maybe I can look for it already and try to find it. If I don't, just take that word, copy it, and then I can open up a new tab, look up the word, profit definition, and I know it's something dealing with financial gain, trying to earn money. So I could go through and look for that definition. So maybe money that has been made after all costs have been paid. That looks good. So I'll just take that and drag it in there. And I'll just go down the list and find the correct answer for each one. and then there's 3 more on the next page. So that takes you through this. Any further questions, just ask, and I'll be happy to answer them.